Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jam macarons in Dreamlight Valley. First, you'll need to collect the essential ingredients. Head to the wild tangle biome to forage for 1 almond. Next, visit Remai's pantry and purchase 1 egg for 220 star coins. Finally, choose any fruit you have on hand, such as a raspberry or blueberry, to complete your ingredient list. These simple items are the foundation for your delicious dessert. Once you have all your ingredients, find any cooking station in the valley. Interact with the stove to open your recipe menu. Place the almond and the egg into the cooking pot. This combination will magically transform into a plain macaron, which serves as the perfect base for our jam-filled creation. It's a quick and easy step to get your dessert started. Now for the exciting part, adding the jam. With your plain macaron ready, it's time to incorporate the fruit. Go back to your cooking station and place the macaron into the pot. Then, add your chosen fruit, whether it's a raspberry, blueberry, or any other fruit you prefer. This combination will create the delightful jam macaron, bursting with fruity goodness. Congratulations! Your delicious jam macaron is now complete and ready to be savored. This delightful dessert isn't just tasty, it also provides a substantial 581 energy boost for your character, helping you continue your adventures in Dreamlight Valley. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.